Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Financeable. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Coinmetro account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, just go to your default browser and search Coinmetro login. After you hit search, you'll find login on the top of your search list. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you are already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your credentials, that includes your email and your password. You can also sign in with your Facebook account or your Google account. If you click this checkbox, you can sign in for a week, and in case you forgot your password, you can click here and reset it. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks would be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.